Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got another video for you folks today. So unfortunately this one is a sad one. My car broke down after 2 years of driving it. I can't believe this happened. My mud flap fell down. So yeah, nothing really broke down. I was just kidding. What happened is this, I think, because it used to rub always against the ledge of my driveway, it kind of in the end kind of failed, and I think the screw fell down and I lost the screw, so I'm not really sure where it is, but I found this right outside of my driveway. So this is the Tesla mud flap. I was contemplating whether to just put another one of these, because these lasted, to be honest, like 2 years. The other one didn't fall down. I do have another set of the Tesla OEM mud flap, but I'm not sure if I want to put one of these. They gave it to me for free after like owning the car for a few months, some sort of a winter package. But I did buy, and this is back probably when I first got the car. I did get another set, and these are a different brand. And I think I'm going to go ahead and try these. So they're a little bit more beefy, but they're a little bit more short. The brand is SKTU Mudflaps. I don't know why I bought these at that time. They're like 50 Canadian dollars right now on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description. Yeah, so let's go ahead and try and install these. So it comes with a 4 set instead of just the front 2, like the ones that the Tesla has. And it comes with screws. Here are the screws. This is not really sponsored by them, so I'm just going to install it myself and I'll give you folks my opinion. And it comes with a screwdriver for some reason. On the Amazon picture it does show that it comes with a wrench as well, but I don't think I have that, so we'll go ahead and try this set and see how long it will last. Pretty easy to remove. I think this one slides down. Here we go. That one's out. Alright, let's try to put the new one in. So I think these kind of slide in from here. And then got those 2 screws. They align like that. Right. I don't think this is actually screwing. Does it just go in? Yeah, if you press it, it kind of goes in, to be honest. You don't need to really screw it. Okay. Yeah, as usual, these things are not coming with instructions. So, yeah, it does show, if you see here, the lip is still kind of not getting tucked in. So I wonder how long this is gonna hold. Here we go. That one's in too. Let's try the right rear. Let's go ahead and try the right rear. Maybe it'll work. Is this for sure the right? Yeah, right rear. Huh. How does this come on? This way? No. I'm so confused right now. Should be the right one for this. Seems like. There we go. You kind of have to squeeze it in. There we go. Came on. It's kind of more shallow than the front one. This doesn't seem like it works. It's on the same size. Yeah, I think this is incorrect. Yeah, so it looks like it doesn't really match. Because we can't even reach that, and yeah, it doesn't look like it's the same. Does it go really deep in? Yeah, these doesn't seem to be compatible. So I'm just going to do the front ones. I'm not too happy with the design though. Like, it looks like it catches a lot of stuff in there, but we'll give it a shot. If it doesn't work, I'll do an update video. There we go. There we go. Yeah, it looks like it's catching properly. Okay, sorry folks, I ran out of battery over there. Yeah, the Mudflaps are working very good. I was only able to install the front ones, and yeah, so far I have experienced no rubbing on the driveway or on humps, and I've been driving for almost a week with it. So yeah, it's a good product, but I would make sure they're compatible with your car. Obviously I bought these like 2 years ago, so I can't really return them at this point. Hope you folks like this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a nice day.